Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and I really wanted to get this video done. I just got home from work. I'm coming to you in real life, guys. There is no makeup on my face. I didn't do my eyebrows. There's not even anything on my lips. I just got home from work. I'm super tired, but I wanted to get this done. So this is the moment. Here we go. Let's declutter. Alright guys, so this is my little makeup area. It's a work in progress. It's still not decorated or fully ready, but don't judge me. Look at this mess. The other day, my daughter and I went live on YouTube. She was doing my makeup and we just went through like everything. Even my plant is just like thrown there. Like, what? So I haven't had a chance to really clean it up. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna declutter. I have some old makeup I'm gonna throw out and just fix everything. Wipe down this mirror. Look at that. What? There's even tape right there. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna spare you guys my voice and I'm just going to give you some soothing music. Don't you just love a declutter cleaning video with some soothing music that you can get inspired to clean with? I love those. So here you go. All right, so here it is, nice and decluttered, nice and clean. I like to have some skincare out just because I usually grab that more than makeup. So I like to have it out nice and ready to go. All my brushes and some of my sponges in there. These are all my eyeshadow palettes and some powders here that didn't fit in the drawer. I have a very small space. I am looking for under here instead of this right here. I'm looking for some Alex drawers or something comparable so that I could put under there and actually organize my makeup and have it all nice and beautiful in there instead of just having this one drawer. So what I did here, I did the best I could. I put all my lip products right here. Some are stacked one on top of the other. All my lip products, mostly all of my MAC right here. Back here, I put all my eye pencils and lip pencils, all of them right here. I put foundation here and some back here, here, and there. Concealer right here. This is random. I put some eyeshadow. I put some mascara right here, and I don't even know what's back there. I think I have open space right here. So, looks good. These are all my lip products that I use the most. I usually just grab. I don't have that much makeup because it just fills up this one drawer. Then I have some stuff down there that I still have to organize, and I have to clean the floor too. All right, guys, we're done. We're nice and clean, nice and organized for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this nice little organization video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.